Let's start by customizing our theme. Go to the left-hand side and click on Online Store. By default, every Shopify store will start with the Dawn theme, which is the theme we'll be using throughout this video. If you'd like to add a new theme to your Shopify store, scroll down to Theme Library, then click on Add Theme, and then you can visit the theme store. Since I'm not adding a new theme to my store, I'll simply click on Customize to get started customizing my storefront. Here we can see our default uncustomized Shopify store. To begin customizing and branding our website, let's navigate to the left-hand side and click on Theme Settings. Let's begin by uploading our store's logo. To do that, click into Logo, and then select your logo here. I'll click on Upload or Add Images, and I'll find the logo that I want to add into my website. I'll double-click on it to upload, and then on the bottom right-hand side, I'll click on Done. Now my logo will be uploaded to my store. Next, back on the left-hand side, let's check out the Colors tab. Here, there's a few pre-made color schemes for you to choose from, but you can add a scheme to add your own brand colors onto your website. Let's go down one more to Typography, and I'll change the font on my website. To do this, I'll click on Font, and I'll scroll down, and I think I'll do Archivo for this website. I'll select the font I want by clicking on it, and then clicking on Select. Now I'll change the body font as well to Archivo, and now I'll click on Select. Now let's go to the Layout tab on the left-hand side. Here, I'll change my page width to 1000 pixels. This will make it to where more information can be displayed on our page in a smaller space. Let's go down another to Animations. I'll make sure that Reveal sections on Scroll is turned on, and I'll change my hover effect to 3D Lift. Now that we've configured some of our theme settings, let's go back to the top left and click on Sections here. Now we can see that we have a header, a template, and a footer, and we can add sections into each of these areas. Let's start by checking out our announcement bar at the top. I'll click into this, and on the right-hand side, I see some options that I can change. For now, I want to change the text inside my announcement bar. So I'll go back over to the left-hand side and find the text here. It currently says Welcome to our store. I'll click on this, and I'll change it to read Welcome to Fur Prints, which is the name of our print-on-demand store. To save that change, I'll navigate to the top right and click on Save. Now let's move on to our header on the left-hand side. I'll click into this, and again on the right-hand side, we'll see some options appear that we can change. I'll change the color scheme of my header from Scheme 1 to Scheme 3. I think that looks a little bit better, and now you can actually see my logo here. Below our header, we can see our image banner, and we'll change this a little bit later on in the video. Once you're done making changes to your header and announcement bar, navigate to the top right and click on Save. Now we'll head over to the left-hand side and click on Exit. We've now created a basic Shopify store.